Ay, video.
Yan, boy.
Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Teka, ano ba gagawin natin, pre?
So ngayon pinapagawan po tayo ng vlog na discrete probability, papakita ng discrete probability. So, ano ba yung discrete probability muna? Discrete probability ay yung finite numbers or bilang lang in short. And meron tayong discrete pati continuous. So ano naman yung continuous? Continuous ay yung infinite numbers. Like from the word itself, infinite, 'di ba? And ginagamit man siya sa measurements. Yan lang. So ano nga ba yung example ng discrete probability?
Ginangula kami sa exam.
Pwede ba yun?
Wala kayo sa exam.
Oo, pre. Discrete ba yun, pre? Sige na, mahal mo na eh.
Okay, good morning class. So susunod na natin yung exam natin. So pakitawag pa lahat ng notes, reviewers, and makakasasabi din sa akin.
Papa talaga pinalong mo. Ganun. Ano ba ginawa natin nag-gabi? Pero. Tapos tatanungin mo ako?
Sorry pre, mamamatay ako pre.
Dali mo, pre. Ay, teka, pre. Di ba may exam tayo bukas?
Oh.
Ano? Hindi tayo mag-review?
Eto, nagre-review na tayo. Pre, push pre.
Paano tayo yan? Talpos. Talpos tayo yan, boy.
A student is taking a periodical exam without studying, thus struggling to answer every question. The student decided to guess the whole question in the exam. The exam consists of 60 items with 4 multiple choices each question. Will he be able to surpass the passing score of 45 over 60 by just guessing? Let's see.
Hirap. Sunod ka. Gaba nga eh. Laro pa kasi ako gabi. Sabi sa mag-aaral na lang tayo.
Sabi ko mag-review eh. Hindi mo ba nagaya?
Sumama ka naman sa akin. Sabi mo, hindi. Di nakasubo tayo. Sabi ko. Naman. Wala pa nga. Ito nga naman. Ano naman tayo nito?
Dati lang.
Tapos na.
What is the derivative of f of x equals x cubed? A, 3x cubed, ay 3x cubed. Find the derivative of f of x equals e. What is the what does the fundamental theorem of calculus state? Ano to? Ang lang ako sa email ko. Hindi na sama sa review ko.
Pasa na? Gusto na?
Oo,
Pasa na? Meron na tayo?
wala ka na. Pasa ko na.
Here in our histogram, we can only see 2 variables, which is the correct and wrong answer. The 1 over 4 means among 4 letters of A, B, C, D, only 1 letter is correct, while the remaining 3 letters are incorrect. So meaning we have 25% chance of getting a correct answer, while 75% chance of wrong answer in each questions in 60 items. Simply multiply the 60 items to 1 over 4 or 0.25 and the answer is 15. So the student is expected to get around 15 over 60. Somewhere near 15, like it could be 10 to 20. To pass, the student needs at least 45 correct answers. Since 15 is much lower than 45, the chance of passing by guessing is almost 0%. This is a discrete probability distribution because number 1, the variable or number of correct answers is countable. 2, each outcome has a specific probability. And last, The probability distribution is based on finite set of trials, which is the 60 questions.
Oh, score nyo. Baba mo ikaw, JR. Ikaw. Ano score nyo? Score. 14. Ano yan? 16. Ano sasabi nyo? Ikaw.
Parang nawala na sa isa yung pagra-review ko ah.
Alam mo ba? Kayo nga pala, pinapatawag ka sa guidance boy.
Bakit? Bakit daw? Cut mo na yung dapat na ganun.
Vandalism